Guys, today I am serving face, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, carry on watching. Let's just get right into it. Okay guys, getting straight into it, I'm going to be priming my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is slowly becoming my favorite. I mean, look at how sticky it is. It just grips my skin. I'm setting my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to take off the extra shine off my skin, and I'm pushing it in with a damp beauty blender. Today I am going to be using the Esteé Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I'm using a darker shade than I used the other time. So yeah, blending it out with the Evita Joseph X and its B foundation brush. Just blending it in seamlessly and just adding a little to cover some, discoloration. I mean, just hold up. I know that it looks a little dark, but we're gonna fix it with the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, just to do some color correction at the usual places. And I'm going ahead to blend it in with the TOURLIGHT Evita Joseph brush. This is part of a new collection, and I'm just trying it out for the first time. I mean, like, wow, look at it. This is just period. Like, I love this brush. I'm going ahead to contour my face with the black Opal stick foundation, and I'm blending it out with another brush from the Evita Joseph TOURLIGHT collection. This is, like I said, this is my first time using these brushes, and they blend like a dream. That's why I said I'm serving you guys face today, because I knew I wasn't going to be disappointed. Anyways, buffing the products into my skin and my nose. Like, if you want like a detailed foundation routine and contour highlight routine, I have everything in the description box, like links to the videos, so you guys can go ahead and watch that after you watch this video. Of course, I am highlighting with the Born This Way what's it called, Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I am using the shade Butterscotch. This concealer is just one of my favorites. Now I'm just contouring, highlighting my 5 head, because I just love it. I just love doing that. Now I am putting some setting spray all over my skin. Did you see how slow that edit was? Like, I was just rejudging my skin, as Jackie Aina says, and I am blending in my highlight. You guys, just look at how seamless it's blending. I'm not disappointed at all. So yeah, I'm blending out my highlights. I've said that already, so let me just let you guys enjoy this part, and let me stop blabbering. I'll be back in just a sec. One reason why I love the Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer is that it can sit on your skin for the longest, and like, it wouldn't like just become sticky or anything. It just gives you like a fuller coverage. So that's why I'm taking my sweet time to blend it out. Then I'm going over my contour to just blend out any harsh lines, to keep my face really seamless, because I don't want to have any lines of demarcations on my face. And I'm going over my highlights as well. As you guys saw, I highlighted my nose because I want to make my face look snatched, because today I'm just serving face. This is not just any tutorial. It's nothing special. It's just me beating my face and showing you guys how I go the extra mile on some days. I don't do this every day, mind you, but on days where I want to look extra, this is what I do. I take my sweet time. I keep going back and forth with the brushes that I use in contouring, in highlighting, and now I am blending out any creases under my eyes and all over my face, taking off any excess product before I go in and set with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now I go in with just a little powder and I push it into my skin to, you know, make it look really seamless. I don't want to go in with too much powder, otherwise it's going to dry out my face way too fast, because I'm going to blend like twice. You guys are going to see I'm going to be really extra today, and at the end of the day you wouldn't even like notice that I put like a lot of effort into my face. It's going to look like my face came out chiseled naturally. That's the whole point of this tutorial. Anyways, I'm pushing the setting powder into all over the places where I highlighted to, you know, keep them matte and to prevent them from creasing. Even though I hardly crease with the Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer, that concealer is really bomb. Now I'm going to be setting and bronzing with the Fenty Bronzer. I forgot the name of the shade. I can't believe I forgot, but I absolutely love it. It's like really warm and really subtle and really extra in its own kind of way. I actually really love this bronzer. It's my second favorite apart from the, you know, the CoverGirl full spectrum bronzer. This one is bomb, and I am bronzing with the Evita Joseph brush that's from the TOURLIGHT collection. This brush is really, you know, it has so many uses. Now guess what, I am contouring my nose with a highlight with an eyeshadow brush from Evita Joseph. Like this brush, I don't know if you guys notice, I use it in all my videos to contour my nose, to bronze my nose, because it just works really well, really amazing. As you guys can see, I'm going ahead to, you know, bake under my eyes and the sides of my nose. I'm going to go ahead and, you know, bake the area around my mouth as well. I'm using the same damp beauty blender, and I'm using the same Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm also doing the reverse contour as well. I mean, I'm just being extra, I know. So yeah, I'm going ahead to, you know, do like a wing liner. I'm going to attempt to do a wing liner. I'm using like a black kohl pencil. I do that to get to my lash line as close as possible to my lash line and to keep my lines precise. Now this doesn't have to be perfect, because I'm going to go ahead and go over with a felt tip eyeliner to just, you know, make the wing as perfect as possible. Now I don't always get my wings looking equal, because I don't know, it's just like a struggle unless I'm doing it on someone else, but on myself it's just another ball game. So yeah, I'm going ahead to, you know, press the bronzer on my, you know, lower lash line to smoke out the, you know, black kohl pencil I put in my waterline earlier. I didn't show it because I know, like, you guys have seen it like so many times in my videos. I'm using the Evita Joseph, I don't know what the name of this brush, but you know, I just use it to, you know, smoke out my lower lash. Now I am using the Evita Joseph brush, another brush from the TOURLIGHT collection. I'm just sweeping off the excess powder off my face and around my brows. You guys know that I set my brows, right? Like, if you're an oldie, I don't mean oldie like old, but like if you're an old, like someone who has been with me for a while, you guys would know that I set my brows, because yeah. And now I'm going in with the Kikaye blush palette. I'm just going in all over my cheeks and all over my nose. Now I'm going ahead to bake the sides of my nose. Again, I told you guys I'm being extra today, so don't judge me at all. Like, do not even judge me. I was just trying to, you know, feel myself. Now I'm going over my high cheekbones. They're not high, but I just, the high points of my cheekbones is what I was trying to say, with the Evita Joseph brush. I'm using the Kikaye blush, Kikaye Gleam palette. This is a highlighter palette. I'm just, you know, applying highlighter all over my face, and now I am sweeping off the excess powder off my face with the Evita Joseph brush. Now you realize that most of the brushes I used today, in fact I think all the brushes I used today were from Evita Joseph, except of course the blush brush. I needed to be careful with that because I didn't want to, make a mistake. Anyways, I am lining my lip with the brown lip liner from Colorpop. Today I'm going to be going in with my favorite red lipstick of all time. Now I'm using the Davis collection brown lip liner. I'm just contouring my lip some more, and I'm going over the middle part of my lip with the MAC Ruby Woo Retro Matte lipstick. This lipstick is the bomb.com. My very first one, I stole it from my older sister, and guess what, someone stole it from me, so I got a new one, and I'm going to keep it really close to my heart because I really love this lipstick. Now I'm setting my face with the Morphe continuous setting spray, just reshushing my face. I enjoy setting my face, guys, because the nozzle on this setting spray is bomb. I'm using the mascara from Red Beauty, and I'm just putting it all over my lower lashes to give me some definition because I lack lower lashes. Now I'm just setting my brows with some brow gel to make them stay in place, and I am highlighting my nose with the Kikaye Gleam highlighter palette. Now this is the full face. I went ahead to put on a red scarf. This is the face, guys. This is the face. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below. Comment a red heart if you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Bye guys.